Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for ways to organize your kitchen without spending money, then in this video I am gonna share some DIY kitchen organization ideas that can be easily made at home at no cost. So let's get started. We often store storage containers in two rows and it is hard to clearly see the contents of the containers that are kept behind. To solve this problem, I have taken two empty tissue boxes. I am gonna cut this open side and staple both boxes together. Now I am gonna fill the boxes with thermocol. And now I am gonna glue two cardboard pieces together and then cover it with adhesive vinyl, and that's it. Now I am gonna place this inside the cabinet, and now it's easy to see the contents of all the containers. For the next one, I have used this empty box of chips and I am gonna cover it with contact paper, and it can be used as utensil holder or to store other kitchen items. It can also be used as a garbage bag dispenser. I am just gonna cut dispenser opening in the middle and then just insert your trash bags by sliding them inside and pull the loose end of the trash bag roll through the slot. Now put a double-sided tape and stick it on the cabinet door or your desired location. You can also use hooks to hang it on the door. And that's it. Now it is easy to pull the bag out whenever you need it. For this next one, I have taken an empty tissue box. I am gonna cut the corners and staple them back inside the box. To make it more sturdy, I am adding a piece of thick cardboard inside. Now I have taken 3 pieces of cardboard, one measured lengthwise and two measured widthwise. I have covered them with adhesive vinyl. Now I am gonna cut them to their midpoint. Join them together. And then just slide them inside the box. You can use this box to store tea and coffee bags, etc. For this DIY, I have only taken some cereal boxes and I'm gonna cut a few inches according to the size of my kitchen cabinet. I am placing a piece of cardboard inside for extra support. You can add cardboard pieces on the sides as well for more durability. Now I am gonna place them in the cabinet along with the corner shelf to store extra plates. These can also be placed in the drawers to store the lids of containers and many more things. These take up less space, that's why they are very useful to store lids and other loose knickknacks inside the drawers. You can also cover them with adhesive vinyl for a more professional look. We often have lots of tiny things in the kitchen such as cookie cutters and piping tips that are hard to store. To store these little things, I am keeping them in the Ziploc bags. Now I am gonna stick 2 pegs using super glue on the cabinet's door and hang the Ziploc bags. This way it is easy to store these little things without compromising on extra space in the kitchen. I hope these ideas will be useful for you. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Happy organizing!